I'm Hutchison. I'm one of the connector directors that works with the Fife Youth Arts Hub. I've helped them out a lot at major public events such as Festival 15, the Artists with Global Foundation, the Edinburgh Fringe. I've even helped out smaller companies such as Sit and Pace, which is a comedy workshop. I've helped them sort of take off. I was one of the young creators in my college course last year, and the wifey doing it went and asked us if we wanted to become involved in it, and I thought it was a broad opportunity, so I just signed up right away. I went and had to do loads of things. I've been responsible for event planning and organisation, time management. I've helped run workshops with people, helped doing a wee bit of teaching, editing, filming, done all kinds of things. I really like going to Fringe. I had been once when I was wee, but that was the last. That was a while ago, and then getting there and seeing it all was brilliant. Getting loads of skills, like I was saying, timekeeping, event planning, organisation, filming, flyering, like interacting with the public. Because I hadn't done so much of that before, and you feel a lot better, massive confidence booster. Like, even if I did use them directly, I would have had an empty CV otherwise. And there isn't really like an off switch with these kind of skills. You always just sort of have them, develop them all the time. Just get on with it. Just as soon as you hear about it, just sign up right away. The folk there are brilliant, and the people who you work for, they're awfully nice, and they help you try and achieve your goals. They'll help you with, like I was saying, CV writing and whatever.